Yo, what up? My name is Freddie Swift Style Garcia, and welcome back to the channel. All right, I've got a package here that literally just flew from Hong Kong to Alaska. I've been waiting over a year to see this thing and show you guys. Let's just get into it. All right, so what we have here is the world's first portable DVS turntable, the Omni by Headache Sound Electronics. So June of 2019, we did a demo with the prototype. This guy is the final version that I'm actually proud to say we will be carrying at scratchbreak.com. All right, so let's go over some of the features in the final version. So it has a CNC aluminum tone arm and platter, 2 contactless faders, and these are called the Omni fader, a built-in Bluetooth audio receiver, and what that means is that you can pair it with your phone or your iPad or even your laptop to play your beats while you scratch. This unit has DVS capability. Like you heard me mention earlier, this is the world's first with it built in. It comes stock with a Audio-Technica AT3600L and a high torque motor that allows ultra pitch. We've already showed you what this thing can do in our previous demo, and now that we have the completed production unit, I can't wait to show you what it's bringing to the table. When the portable scene started, if you had asked me what I wanted to see in a complete unit, my list would have included a proper tone arm, a solid platter, a digital fader. In this case, we have 2 digital faders and ultra pitch. And on top of all that, the design of this thing is absolutely next level. On the back panel, you can find an internal speaker volume adjustment, your phono and line RCA audio outputs, your line output volume adjustment, your vinyl/DVS button. This is where you're gonna switch between analog vinyl or your DVS mode, your headphone volume adjustment and your headphone output, your auxiliary 3.5 stereo input, your USB-C DVS cable input, and your USB-C power input. There will be 3 color options of the Omni to choose from: milky white, navy blue, and like you're seeing here, matte black. This unit will not be shipping with batteries, but the battery mod will come pre-installed. All you'll need to do is add a set of 18650s and you're good to go. Starting today, you can pre-order the world's first portable DVS turntable at scratchbreak.com. The pre-order is now up. These units will be shipping out this December. And because you're ordering through Scratchbreak and we want to give you the full portable experience, we're going to be throwing in a free 7-inch record of your choice. All you'll need to do is add any 7-inch along with the Omni to the cart, and the discount will automatically apply. This is the first portable unit or the first portable product that we're actually stocking on the site. So we hope that shows how much we believe in this product. Over the next few weeks here on the channel, you can expect a few more demos with this final production unit. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us on the site. Keep scratching. Peace. What up?